honoring the spirit of Rizal in the youth of the Pidden. This event brings together students, young leaders, and local communities in a vibrant showcase of cultural performances, historical reenactments, educational activities, and civic engagement. It serves as a reminder that just as Rizal once walked the shores of the Piton with purpose and conviction, today's youth also have the power to shape the future with courage, knowledge, and love for country. Set against the backdrop of the Piton's scenic beauty and rich heritage, it's more than just a celebration. It is a call to action for the next generation to embody the same values of discipline, service, and nationalism that Rizal stood